Hey guys, Brad and the Buff. I got a hat on my head and I'm ready to go. We're out here. This is a bunch of people from our church, Cinder Branch Church, and we're getting ready to head out into the Roaring Plains. We're going to try to make Haystack Knob tonight, and we only got about a 6-7 mile trip, so hopefully we don't get lost. And it'll be a good trip, so we'll see you along the way. I got a sweatshirt. I had a rain jacket. I have a Oops.
Happy with my shoe decision. Wearing more of this like athletic, all-around shoe. So I was gonna wear some.
So you see the antenna, right? You see the antenna. Yeah. That's a ridge further back. Right. Come the ridge closer to the left of that antenna.
And you can see there's a sweet camping spot right here, and there's another one over there. So there's tons of spots, but we got a good lunch, and we're going to keep heading in. We're in, I don't know, what, about 2 miles, would you say? Not quite 3. And so we're going to keep on going. In 3 miles, there's supposed to be, from the beginning, there's supposed to be a campsite just up ahead at 3 miles. Oops. The video does not do justice exactly how steep this is, but it's pretty steep to the last approach here. That's North Fork over there? Yeah. So it's Seneca, keep following it all the way down.
Seneca actually, I think, is actually like this podcast. I think it's that way actually. Or it's hidden behind that river.
Nothing like enjoying a good breakfast. We got our oatmeal, we got our coffee. Everybody slept great last night, right? Nobody got up and moved around or anything. And it was actually beautiful last night with the stars. We saw like half a dozen shooting stars. The wind blew in last night. We got a little rain, but now we're just kind of in the cloud, and it's kind of windy, but it's still awesome up here. We're out on Haystack Knob again. You can see we're up in the cloud now. Not the same view as yesterday, but still pretty cool. We're getting ready to head. We got about 7 miles back and one sleeping bag to find. His sleeping bag fell off his back yesterday. We had a small extra one, but we all lived through the night, so it worked out okay. So we're gonna come back down and head on back to the car.
Schedule because I thought my goal was to leave at 10. I'm not bringing sun over. We're an hour early. So.
Okay, we made it back off the trail. I should have gotten one last clip getting into the cars, but I forgot. We stopped in Thomas, got ourselves some coffee, ate at Sirianni's in Davis, and those are great places to stop if you're up near Haystack Knob. If you do Haystack Knob, I would recommend you actually look at maps because you can get turned around pretty easy in there. We got a little bit lost, but we did make our way back. We had a really good weekend. You cannot beat the views from Haystack Knob, and would recommend it as a trip. See you guys next video. Hey guys, if you like the video you just saw, please subscribe, click the bell so you can get alerted for any new videos that I may do, and check the links below for any information I described in the video. I'll try to put as much there as possible. Thanks for watching.